Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021. Farmers are getting agricultural machinery worth TK 3,000 crore as an incentive.
Opala's new reference flour mill project in Serbia.
ANA Milling Systems and Technologies 1000 TPD project is being installed in Gaziantep, Turkey.
New president of CARGILL Animal Nutrition and Health.
Caption news on the membership certificate to the Turkish-Ukrainian Businessmen Association of Urkia Company.
Cambodia exported more than 150,000 tons of milled rice in the first 3 months of 2021.
How big is China's market for pet food?
Almeida Group and Fujairah Terminals sign exclusive livestock agreement.
Morgan Doggett joins council as communications manager. A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Space 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Miltech is Istanbul, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.